Hi, I'm Shomik Verma. I'm a senior in mechanical engineering and I'm getting minors in energy engineering and mathematics. I've always been interested in energy from growing up. So my dad's a petroleum engineer, but I got more interested in the sustainable aspect of energy in high school, and I was really looking for a college program that brought in many different aspects of energy. And I think Duke does it really well with the Energy Initiative in bringing together policy, economics, law into the overall aspect of energy technology, which is what I'm most interested in. Energy at Duke is interdisciplinary, very, very deep, so going beyond the shallow issues, and very insightful. It's looking at how can we actually make concrete change and transition towards a cleaner future. I've been involved in several student clubs, so Duke Energy Club, Duke Smart Home, Duke Electric Vehicles. We actually recently broke the world record for most fuel-efficient vehicle with the Duke Electric Vehicles team. I also do research with Dr. Nico Hotz in the Thermodynamics and Sustainable Energy Laboratory. I think it's really cool that Duke has amazing resources, especially with faculty. So we have really bright professors who are really also great advisors and mentors to help guide the research in directions that the student wants it to go, but also in a direction that's beneficial to research and society in general. Even though we just recently broke the world record, we're standing on the shoulders of giants. So the club has been around for 7 or so years, and the design has improved and the efficiency has improved each of those years. From making the body lighter to moving away from a chassis to a monocoque vehicle, to this year was the first year that we implemented a hydrogen fuel cell. So the first year that we strayed away from just purely battery electric vehicles. And learning about hydrogen fuel cells and working with the rest of the team really helped us achieve leaps and bounds in improving the efficiency of fuel cells. One of the most impactful experiences I've had at Duke was volunteering over spring break to install free solar panels for low-income communities, which really helped me see the real human impacts of the work that I'm doing in the lab. So we got to install solar panels on the roofs of these houses, and we saw how homeowners were really grateful that they could spend more money on things that they really need, like education or healthy food and things like that, instead of having to purchase electricity. I think my biggest piece of advice is to take initiative, try to meet new people, get involved with organizations. The best way to know what organization you like is to try to go to as many as possible, and then you can choose which one you think is best. Definitely reach out to the Energy Initiative and the staff there. They can really help you connect with the students or faculty that would help you most. I'm a Marshall Scholar, so I'll be going to Cambridge next year for an MPhil in material science. So I'll be looking at novel materials for solar energy generation. Once I come back to the United States, I'm planning on obtaining a PhD in mechanical engineering with a focus on solar energy.